Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2017 Kia Sportage GT line. Now of course you do get LED daytime running lights. You then also get front parking sensors. You also have these brilliant freshly refurbished alloy wheels, which of course are a 18 inch. I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition. Now of course, coming around to the rear, we've also got rear parking sensors. You've also got a tow bar that's already fitted, and you do also have the reverse camera at the top there. Then inside the tailgate we have plenty of room in here, including a 60/40 split folding rear bench. Then coming back out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now we have full leather interior. You do have black and then with contrasting cream. Then of course you've got heated rear seats, electric windows all round, keyless entry and start. Inside we have a 6-speed manual gearbox. We've got your air conditioning controls in the middle with your 2 front heated seats as well. Then we have your touchscreen display, which as you can see comes with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay just on here. You've also got your various media, so you've got Bluetooth audio and hands-free. You've got DAB and FM as well. And then last but not least, we have your satellite navigation. Then coming over to the steering wheel, we have your audio controls in the middle, voice assistant, source control, and then Bluetooth hands-free just below. Over to the right, you have your onboard computer settings at the top, and then you also have your cruise control just below. You've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this Kia has done 67,903 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Kia Sportage, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.